You might sometime wish to create a custom script in PhantomBuster. This will frighten happier if what you want to do is not supported by the standard library of PhantomBuster. For example, in the article which is in description of this video, I'm explaining you how to make outreach on LinkedIn and customize it depending if people respond, which require you to be collecting what are the last messages you received on LinkedIn, and this is not part of the standard offering. So in order to do this, you will have to create your own script, which unfortunately is not really a straightforward process in PhantomBuster. First thing you will need to do in order to create a custom script is to go to your user setting in order to enable the developer mode at the bottom here. Once it's checked, you need to change setting, and from now on, you will be able to access the developer tab here, where you are able to create script by clicking on create script button. So you can name your script. For us, it is LinkedIn message collector. Once the script is created, you need to be branching it into master, so you don't have to rename it. It's pretty useless. Once this is done, you have to click use this phantom. And from now on, like if you close here, you will see the script on your dashboard. Now, if you want to be editing the code, which is in the script, because right now it's a script which is completely empty, you need to click on this triple point and edit code. And here you will be able to pass all the code I'm mentioning in the article, click save, and your script will be ready to run. So that's basically it.